It was an emotional day in court for Diddy's trial as Cassie Ventura burst into tears on her final day of cross-examination as the defense tried to prove she willingly engaged in Sean Combs' freak-offs. Cassie broke down sobbing as she was asked if she cherished a male escort urinating on her and Combs allegedly beating her during the twisted parties where she claims he forced her to have sex with other men while he watched. When pressed on the stand about the $20 million settlement she received from her civil lawsuit against Combs in 2023, Cassie wiped away tears as she said she would give it all back if it meant she never had to endure the freak-offs. "If I never had to have freak-offs, I would have agency and autonomy. I wouldn't have had to work so hard to get it back." While Cassie cried on the stand, Combs looked at the jury and then passed a note to his lawyer, which he was seen doing several times on Friday. Cassie testified that she ended her relationship with Combs in 2018, but that the two stayed in touch over the years as she said she doesn't hate him because she has love for the past. Combs reached out to congratulate Cassie on her pregnancy in 2019 and later told her that she was one of the greatest women in the world. In a message exchange from March 2020, Combs wrote, "One day I hope you forgive me. We're honestly lucky to be alive. We went hard. Please know I send this message with all respect to your marriage." Cassie was also cross-examined about her allegations that Combs raped her in her living room after they broke up in 2018. She testified that she voluntarily had sex with Combs one more time after the alleged rape, and that her now husband, Alex Fine, who she was dating at the time, FaceTimed her in the middle of their hookup. Cassie said Fine punched a wall when he found out about the alleged rape. Both Cassie and her husband released separate statements through her attorney after she testified. Part of Cassie's statement read, "I hope that my testimony has given strength and a voice to other survivors and can help others who have suffered to speak up and also heal from the abuse and fear." Cassie's husband, Alex, said in part of his statement, "There has been speculation online surrounding how it must feel for me to sit there and listen to my wife's testimony. I felt so many things sitting there. I felt tremendous pride and overwhelming love for Cass. I felt profound anger that she has been subjected to sitting in front of a person who tried to break her. So to him and all of those who helped him along the way, please know this, you did not. You did not break her spirit nor her smile that lights up every room. You did not break the souls of a mother who gives the best hugs and plays the silliest games with our little girls. You did not break the woman who has made me a better man. I did not save Cassie, as some have said. To say that is an insult to the years of painful work my wife has done to save herself. Cassie saved Cassie. She alone broke free from abuse, coercion, violence, and threats. She did the work of fighting the demons that only a demon himself could have done to her." After Cassie left the stand, Special Agent Yassine Benda quickly testified about how investigators found bottles of baby oil, lube, and drugs in Combs' hotel room when he was arrested in New York City in September 2024. As the day came to a close, former girl group member Dawn Richard, who worked for Diddy from 2004 to 2011, took the stand and shared a horrifying account of a belligerent Combs allegedly beating Cassie at his Los Angeles home in 2009. Richard claims she saw Combs hit Cassie with a skillet until she dropped to the floor in a fetal position and told the court she saw him get violent with Cassie often. She testified she was scared to do anything in fear of what that might mean for me too. Richard's testimony will continue on Monday, and we'll be back next week with all the latest from Diddy's trial.